Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our sweet little baking corner. Today's session is something really special as we are going to take just one cheesecake batter and turn it into completely four different premium cheesecakes. So, if you are a baker or running a baking studio, this is going to help you save time, reduce cost, and still create full menu of flavors. So, by the end of this live session, pick base batter, divide and flavor it like a pro, and create multiple cheesecake that actually taste unique. So stay tuned till the end because I'll share some pro tricks and flavors that will help you flavor your ideas you can directly use for your menu. So let's just wait for a couple of minutes and then we will start with our live session. So you can bring your copy and pen if you want to write the recipe because we'll be sharing cheesecake recipe plus the four cheesecake which you will be learning. We will be sharing that also. So let's just wait for 1 or 2 minutes and then we will start with our live session. Those who have just joined in, we are doing cheesecake class from one cheesecake batter. We'll be showing you four different types of cheesecake. So we are just waiting for a couple of minutes for everybody to join in and then we will start with our class. Radha Kankas is saying hi. Anita is saying hello. Divya Gupta, hi from Japan. Those who have just joined in, we are doing a cheesecake class. We'll be teaching you four cheesecakes with one cheesecake batter. So stay tuned till the end class. You will get to learn a lot of cheesecakes. You will get to learn a lot of different cheesecakes from scratch. Which flavor cheesecake? So we are doing Lotus Biscoff cheesecake, we are doing Oreo cheesecake, we are doing mango cheesecake, and one we are doing Nutella cheesecake. So we'll start with our class. So what we have done is we have some whipping cream. It's approx 150 grams of whipping cream. You can just write it down somewhere. This live session will be available after the live class also. To this, we are adding 200 grams of mascarpone cheese, We'll get the whisk to whisk the cheesecake batter. Archie Countess is saying hi to us. That is 150 grams of whipping cream. To this, we have added 200 ml, 200 grams of cream cheese, and we'll whisk it at a speed of 1. To this, we are adding 100 ml of caster sugar. See how our cheesecake batter looks like. Please tie hair while cooking golden. See this. So we'll keep this cheesecake batter aside. And what we will do next is we'll take some. Firstly, we are doing the Lotus Biscoff cheesecake. So what we will do is we will take some Lotus Biscoff biscuit in a bowl. These are this is crushed Lotus Biscoff biscuit. To this, we'll add little bit of butter. If you have any questions, please drop your message in the comment box. We'll be happy to answer related to the cheesecake batter. See this. The next step, what we will do is we'll take a small bowl and we'll press this into this gently. See this. And we'll let this rest for about 5 minutes in fridge so that our base gets set properly. And after that, we'll be putting the cheesecake batter to this. I'll be showing you how to make the Lotus Biscuit cheesecake batter with the same batter which we created right now. So next step, what we will do is we'll take this bowl and we'll put some little bit of cheesecake batter. To this, we'll add the local biscuit spread. Little bit of lotus spread. If you want to set the cheesecake batter in a baking tin or a cake tin, you can just add little bit of gelatin powder to this. I'll show you a mango jelly recipe which we'll be making right now with gelatin. So you will have an idea how to set gelatin also. That's a Lotus Biscoff cheesecake batter. What we will do is we'll put the cheesecake batter into a piping bag. If you have any questions, please drop us your questions in the comment box. We'll be happy to answer all your questions. I'll just get the bowl which we had kept to chill for 1 to 2 minutes. That's the base for the cheesecake. We'll be piping this. We'll even out everything. This is the mini cheesecake bowl which we are making it. The same batter, you can use it for your cakes also to set your cheesecake in a bigger cake tin. See this. The third step, which we'll be doing it, sorry, is we'll be taking some Lotus Biscoff spread. Let me just melt this. We'll pour some spread to this. See this. Then the next step, which we are doing it, is completely optional. You can just serve it like this also. But if you are planning to serve it to a guest or any other person at your home, you can decorate this with some crushed biscuits on top. And some Lotus Biscoff biscuit also. See this, a Lotus Biscoff cheesecake is ready. If you have any questions related to Lotus Biscoff cheesecake, you can just drop us your questions in the message box and we'll be happy to answer all your questions. I'll just check if there is any questions. Which cream cheese? So we use Delecta or what Philadelphia. You can use any cream cheese which is easily available in your market. So we have created a Lotus Biscoff cheesecake. The next cheesecake which we'll be creating is Oreo cheesecake. We'll just wait for a couple of seconds. Then we'll be starting with our Oreo cheesecake batter. So we'll be starting with our Oreo cheesecake batter. So what we will do is we'll take some crushed Oreo biscuits. To this, we'll add a little bit of butter. We'll take a bowl. Again, the same process. See this. This will also go into fridge for about 2 to 3 minutes. We'll just put this in fridge for about 2 to 3 minutes. Till then, we will be creating Oreo cheesecake batter. So what we will do is the same process. We will be taking cheesecake batter. Again, this is completely optional. We'll be putting some vanilla essence to our cheesecake batter. Half teaspoon of vanilla essence. And we'll mix it. You can even use crushed digestive biscuit, sorry, Oreo biscuits for this. We'll just show you. Anju Somani saying hi to us. We'll just mix this. I'll get the batter which we prepared in capturing fish. See, this is set slightly, so we can pour our cheesecake batter to this. Sorry, I'm not able to pronounce your name, but somebody said hi to us. Again, the same process. What we will do is we will even out everything. So the third step, what we will do is here we have some milk chocolate us, and I'll just melt the milk chocolate and show you the process what we are doing.